To add curved text to a design, open the text tool font in the top left side of the designer. Create the text by clicking the Add Text tool and type in the text. The text tool holds a number of tools related to handling text elements. Make any required changes to the text such as font, type, style, size, alignment, etc. It is also possible to add colors to both fill and a stroke surrounding the text if needed. Activating the curved text box immediately curves the selected text to a default value. The default value can be adjusted to fit the design by changing the numerical value or using the slider. The text field allows for easy changes to the text. And the curve can be adjusted after making corrections.